Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Withings ScanWatch. Now, I've made a video on Withings' previous watch, and I was very disappointed with it. And I was also very disappointed with the fact that Withings took like 10 years to get the ScanWatch to the US, but it is finally here. You can finally buy it in the US market, which is really nice. I'm glad they finally got whatever it is they needed done to do that. ScanWatch, kind of nice thing about it is the battery life. Sapphire glass, battery life, sort of a nice minimalist fitness tracker. There are some things to really like about the Withings watch when implemented correctly. So anyway, this is not going to be a review of the watch. This is just an unboxing video, so let's dive in. It comes with that nice little plastic. Let's get this top of this thing. Oh no, there's plastic we have to break through. Am I going to have to get a knife? I'm going to have to get a knife. Forget the knife. Like an absolute orangutan, just blasting through this stuff. People-proofing it. That's a nice start. All right. So that's junk there. Withings. Maybe they can weigh in on how it's spelled. Ooh, that's lovely. Your journey to better health starts now. Hello. Cute. And this lovely pouch. Well, this is lovely. This is much better than the other watch. I can't think of the damn name of the other one. Not the ScanWatch. This is a ScanWatch. The other Withings watch. The Smartwatch HR. This is really cool. I like this little pouch. It's a nice touch. You can bring this like camping with you and stuff, or you could even use this for like throwing cables and stuff in like when you travel. So anyway, comes with this nice pouch. Nice little surprise, did not expect that. Comes with the charger. Now you'll notice this is not a wireless charger. Here's the watch if that was it's to be expected. Beautiful. By my first, gotta say, my first impressions are I'm rather impressed. It still has the domed glass, which I don't know why they do that, but whatever. Supposedly it's sapphire crystal, so hopefully it's scratch resistant, but I really wish they didn't do the domed thing. But you know, this is gorgeous steel. This is a very beautiful looking watch. I'm excited to give this one a go. Anyway, here's the charger. It is directional. You have to make sure that it clips in with these little side things there. So anyway, there's the Withings ScanWatch. That's the unboxing video. Thanks for watching.